This All-Clad HA1 hard anodized nonstick grill is a great addition to any kitchen. It has an 11 by 11 inch surface. This size is perfect for cooking for yourself or a small family. The black color looks sleek and professional. It will fit in with most kitchen styles. The nonstick surface of the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized nonstick grill makes cooking easy. Food slides right off, and you won't have to worry about a lot of residue. This also means that cleanup is a breeze. You can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. The grill pan is also oven safe up to 350 F. This combination of stovetop and oven use makes it versatile. You can start by searing meats on the stove and then move them to the oven to finish cooking. Durability is a key feature of the All-Clad HA1 hard anodized nonstick grill. The hard anodized construction makes it strong and long-lasting, so it can handle daily life in your kitchen. While it's not clothing, it's a kitchen essential that you'll use often. Think of the grill marks on your food as the closure to a perfectly cooked meal. And if there are any leftovers, reheating them on this pan is easy too. Pros: simple to clean, even heating, durable material, good for searing, creates grill marks, fat drains away, oven safe to 350 F, secure handle grip. Cons: uneven heating, may warp in center, non-stick wears out, handle can be long, some find handle grip bad, food may stick sometimes, not a lifetime product, non-stick degrades over time. Features: non-stick, hard anodized, grill pan 11 by 11 inch, oven safe, up to 350 F, pots and pans. Cookware, black color, square shape. This All-Clad HA1 grill pan is a square, black, 11 by 11 inch piece of cookware. It has a non-stick surface that is also hard anodized, making it durable and easy to clean. The grill pan has ridges, so you can get those nice grill marks on your food. It's oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan is part of the All-Clad HA1 series, which includes other pots and pans. This All-Clad grill pan is square, 11 x 11 inches, and black. It's easy to clean and heats food evenly. The pan is made of strong stuff and can get hot enough to sear food and make grill marks. When you cook, fat can drip away. You can even put this pan in the oven if it's not hotter than 350 degrees. It has a handle that's supposed to be easy to hold, but some people don't like the grip, and it can be long. Sometimes, the middle of the pan might not heat the same, and it could bend a little. The non-stick coating will wear out over time, and food might stick sometimes. This pan is not made to last forever, and the non-stick part will get worse as you use it.